In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Search Console into your N8n workflows using a free template. Whether you're new to workflow automation or seasoned with tools like N8n, you'll find this guide straightforward yet comprehensive. Let's dive right in. We're beginning our journey at the AI workflow automation platform, N8n. This platform is essential for anyone looking to automate and streamline digital processes. First, open your web browser and head over to the N8n website. It's a highly powerful toolkit that allows for a wide range of integration possibilities. Once you're there, the next step is quite simple. You need to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you should see an option to sign up right on their homepage. But for those with existing accounts, like me, just click on Sign In. This will get you access to your personal dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now, once you're on the N8n dashboard, it's time to create a workflow. Think of workflows as the pathways through which your automated processes run, moving data and triggering actions across various apps seamlessly. Navigate within your dashboard until you locate the Create Workflow button. Click on it, and you are ready to start building. With your new workflow canvas in front of you, the next move is to add nodes. In N8n, nodes are crucial as they represent different tasks or actions that need to be carried out within your workflow. Find the button labeled Add Nodes and click it to unveil a variety of nodes that can be integrated into your processes. Next, in the search bar that appears, type in Google Search. This is where we begin linking Google Search Console into your workflow. It's truly impressive how N8n can easily integrate with Google tools like these, providing powerful insights right onto your automation palette. Once you've searched for Google Search, you'll see an option for it in the menu. When it appears, go ahead and click on Google Search. This selection enables you to start the connection between your N8n workflow and Google Search Console. This direct integration means you can pull data from your search analytics and use it to inform other actions within your N8n workflows. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Google Search Console into your N8n workflows. With this setup, you can automate the analysis of your search performance data, making it a part of your regular data-driven decisions. Don't forget, you can always tweak and customize your workflows to fit the specific needs of your projects. I hope you enjoyed this brief guide and found it helpful as you explore the endless possibilities that N8n offers.